Welcome! Today we're going to connect your Brother HL-L2379DW to a wireless computer using the control panel. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Begin by pressing the down arrow repeatedly until the network option appears on the LCD window. Then press OK. Arrow down again until WLAN appears on the LCD window. Then press OK. Arrow down until Setup Wizard appears, and then press OK. Use the up and down arrows to select your SSID or network name. Please note that if your network is set to hide the network name, you'll have to manually add your network name. And press OK. Enter your network key using the up and down arrows. Repeated presses on the keys will cycle through the available characters. Press OK after each character to enter it. Confirm that your network key is correct, and press OK. When prompted to apply settings, press the down arrow. And then press OK. Now that your machine is connected, you'll need to add the printer in the operating system. In the top left corner, click the Apple icon. Then click System Preferences. Next, double-click Printers and Scanners. Click the plus button located below the printers list. Your machine should now display in the Add Printers window. Select your Brother machine from the list. In the Use drop-down, verify that AirPrint has been selected. Then click Add. If your machine is not found, it is most likely due to an error in device discovery protocols. You'll need to reboot your computer and the Brother machine and attempt device discovery again. Once added, your Brother machine is ready to print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.